Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike. It is May the 28th, Saturday morning, and I am trying to, I'm getting this video together and get ready to upload it so you guys, I know a lot of you have been anticipating this video in reference to the chart templates, the workspace, or my workspace, and the volume profile template settings. Now the volume profile template settings was not included in what I originally talked about, but I've, gotten many comments about from individuals stating that they were interested in purchasing the volume profile or the range volume profile from discotrading.com. Again, that is from discotrading.com. I'm not affiliated with them, but I've been using the range volume profile for years, and this was even prior to NinjaTrader even offering a volume profile suite at the time. So to me, honestly, I'm not going to talk bad about any particular third-party provider or even NinjaTrader with their volume profile suite. I just particularly like the range volume profile because of all the built-in features. And I don't know if NinjaTrader offers all the additional features that DiscoTrader offers in their range volume profile indicator. So that is the third-party provider through discotrading.com. I did a video on that in the past, giving you a rundown about where you can go find the indicator at, which is on discotrading.com. It's called a range volume profile, and it's $159, but it gives you a lifetime license to be able to use that particular suite, that range volume profile suite. And I call it suite because there's so many different features, and you'll see the features once you download and start using it. Even prior to purchasing it, if you go to discotrading.com and just click on NinjaTrader 8 and look for range volume profile. Click on that. You'll see this $159. Once you click on that, then it'll list all the different features. I mean, many of them that you're able to use. So some of them you may not want to use, some of them you may want to use. But if you purchase the indicator from discotrading.com, if you have plans on purchasing in the future, you'll already have the volume profile template settings in this executable file or the zip file that you'll be purchasing for $6.99. So what I did was, yes, I originally offered it for $4.99, but I'm offering the complete package, meaning my chart templates, how I basically the settings, how I design my charts, and the workspace environment and the volume profile templates all in one. If you choose to, now some of you guys may say, well, I don't need the volume profile templates. That's okay. I'm not going to be pulling apart the whole file itself, whatever the case is. So, and it's very inexpensive. $6.99, you're getting the chart templates, the workspace, and the volume profile templates all in one. But again, I mean, this was, I had to spend time sitting down creating these things, especially when it comes to the volume profile template settings. There's so many different settings within the range volume profile indicator. If you go into settings under indicator on NinjaTrader, there's so many different intricate settings that you have to kind of play with, so that set them so they can work for you and in your trading plan, the way you trade, whatever the case is. Some of the tools I don't use, some of them I do use. I mean, it even has cumulative delta built in. You got the VWAP, value your highs, value your lows. You got naked levels. You got your VPODs, naked VPODs. It's got so many different things built into it. That when you get to using it, you'll see. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm incorporating and wrapping everything up to one price for $6.99. It's an excellent deal. I can actually charge more for it, but I decided to say $6.99. Leave it alone, and yeah, you guys can use it for lifetime. I mean, the chart settings, the templates, whatever the case is, it's not set for any period of time. Once you purchase it for $6.99, you'll have the same layout as I have. If you purchase the indicator from discotrading.com, there's templates, like I said, in this folder here, to where I'm going to show you where to place those files at, within the NinjaTrader 8 folder under my documents. And once you do all that, it's just a matter of, you want to have NinjaTrader 8 shut down when you install these files, copying and pasting them. And then once you have everything copied and pasted into the NinjaTrader 8 folder, you're going to, restart NinjaTrader 8. Make sure that you have your connected to your data feed provider for live data, and you're going to also want to make sure that you go under workspaces and click on the day trading workspace. Okay, once you do that, then the chart templates and workspace should load up, whatever the case is. All right, pretty easy. All right, so this is the site right here, what you see on the page right here. I'm using a third-party provider for payment, which is called PayHip. This is the digital downloadable file. If you click on it right here, This is my little shop that I set up quickly. A little bit about myself down at the bottom, little disclaimer at the bottom, and you click on the product itself under where it says chart templates, workspace, and volume profile template settings. Click on that, okay, and it's going to bring you. It's going to bring you to the next page where you can buy it now. Now here, within here, this is a step-by-step guide that pretty much tells you what to do and where to place the copy and paste the templates to, under which folders, under NinjaTrader 8. So of course, this is non-refundable once you purchase it, but there shouldn't be any hiccups. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment on the channel here, Future Trading with Mike, on the YouTube channel here, and I'll respond back. But it's pretty self-explanatory, guys. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's just a matter of downloading and copying and pasting the files into the right folder, which I'm going to show you here in a second. Pretty easy, okay? So with that said, we'll go ahead and show you. So all you have to do is I'm going to send you the link to PayHip for the digital download for the chart templates, the workspace, and the volume profile settings. I'm going to post that in the bottom in the description of this video right here. Look down in the description. You'll see the link to take you to where you can purchase the files from as well. I'm going to put them in a community post as well on the channel here too. So you'll see it's payhip.com. So look for that. You'll see the store link there where you can go purchase everything from for $6.99. Okay, so I'll put that down in the description of the video portion down below. So scroll down, click on maybe show more, whatever it is down at the bottom portion of the video, and you'll find that link. Okay, or you can go to community and you'll see it in a community posting as well. So right now I'm gonna walk you through how you can where you download. Once you downloaded the files, the zip file to your machine is probably going to be on the downloads probably. It just depends on where you download your files to on your machine. But anyways, once you've done all that, just simply go to Documents or My Documents, and you're going to see a folder. Now, you have to have NinjaTrader 8 installed on your machine already. Okay, all right. Once you've done all that, then go to My Documents, click on NinjaTrader 8, and the first thing you want to do is go down to Workspaces. Okay, you go to Workspaces first. Or I'll tell you what, let's walk through the step-by-step process of how I done it here. If you look down below, here's the steps to what you need to do with the chart templates, workspace, and then the volume profile templates from this that I've created. But once again, like I said, you in order for the range volume profile to populate and load to your to NinjaTrader 8, you're going to have purchased the program or the indicator from Disco Trader already. Or Disco Trading already. If you have not and you plan on doing it in the future, that's fine. At least you have the files, okay? So go back. Let's go back here. So click on, go to My Documents or Documents on your desktop, not desktop, excuse me, on your machine, and then click on NinjaTrader 8. All right. Then go to Templates. Scroll down to where it says Templates. Click on Templates. All right. Then scroll down to where it says third one down, Chart. Okay. This is where you want to place. Copy and paste all the chart template files. The ones you downloaded that say you're going to see the ones that say they're going to say chart template. You're going to see the 60 range, the 24 range, the 36 range, 12 range, the 4 range, and the daily chart template. So you want to download all the ones that say chart template into this folder here. Again, that's under Documents, NinjaTrader 8. Click on that. Then go to Templates. Then go to Chart. Copy and paste all the chart templates into the chart folder. Okay, simple. Okay, now we'll go back to you can go back, same thing, go to Documents. Okay, NinjaTrader 8, scroll down to where it says Workspaces. All right, then under Workspace folder, just simply copy and paste the day trading workspace in this folder right here. Simple as that. Okay, then just go back to Documents, NinjaTrader 8. Go down to Templates. Oops, sorry. Templates, and then under Indicator. Okay, so Templates, Indicator, Templates, Indicator. Then click on DT Range Volume Profile. Now, like I said, this is only if you have the Disco Trading Range Volume Profile Indicator, purchase it through them. This is where you're going to copy and paste the range volume profile settings or templates that I sent you in that folder. Okay, this is where you're going to copy and paste them in here. So Documents, NinjaTrader 8, Templates, Indicator, DT range, click on DT range volume profile. And once you do that, okay, then you can copy and paste those templates, those range volume profile templates within this folder right here. And that's pretty much it. All right. And then once you've done all that, you just restart or start NinjaTrader. But make sure before you copy and paste any of these files into the NinjaTrader 8 folder in these areas I showed you, make sure the NinjaTrader 8 is shut down. Copy and paste them, then go in and start up NinjaTrader 8. Once you do that, make sure you're connected to your data feed, your live data feed, and then make sure that you from there, if the issue is the only problem is that once you start up NinjaTrader 8 and once you have connected to your live data feed, make sure that you go on the control panel of NinjaTrader, click on Workspaces and choose the day trading workspace, okay, in order for the chart templates to populate, okay? Because if you don't, you're going to be, once you start NinjaTrader 8 up, it's going to probably immediately want to open up your trading environment, your workspace, or whatever the case is, okay, that you maybe currently have, be using. If you want to bring up and populate or start up to bring up all the charts, the workspace that I've created, make sure you go to Workspaces on the control panel within NinjaTrader and click on the one that says under Workspace, click on the one that says Day Trading Workspace. Once you do that, then it will bring up all the charts under the Day Trading Workspace, which is the one I created, okay? All right. Now, from there, again, again, under the, once you go to pay here, that link, and you purchase this, or prior to purchasing it, here are the step-by-steps. Again, I just showed you step-by-step visually how to do it, but here is text that shows you if you, kind of get lost in the process of where to copy and paste the files to, meaning the chart templates, the workspace, and the range volume profile templates, where to copy and paste them to. Here's a step-by-step guide as well, okay? So that's that on that part there. The only thing else I wanted to talk about was, I'm not sure if a lot of you guys have probably seen the community post from yesterday. If you go to Future Trading with Mike homepage, click on the community tab, which I think is one or two tabs over from video. If you click on the community tab on the channel homepage, you will see where I posted a link or posted a community post yesterday discussing Discord. I created a trading Discord server channel for the community here, and basically it'll be used for, just fellow traders that have joined and subscribed to the channel here. They can kind of converse, share ideas, discuss certain topics surrounding, trading from one trader to another. So that's what it's basically used for, is a community for us to be able to use within the channel, okay? So if you go to community, you should see a link to the Discord, okay? All right, you should see a link to the Discord, and go ahead and join. It's simple. It's all you do is, I'm sure a lot of you guys probably used to using Discords, but it's a chat community that will allow us like-minded traders to be able to converse with one another. You can also converse via chat, chat, whatever the case is, between fellow traders as well within the community. So there will also be a link down below in the video description to the Discord channel as well, so you can join the channel. So do two things, join the Discord, and if you're interested in purchasing the complete chart layout, workspace, and the volume profile settings, then do that as well. So that's pretty simple. I want to wrap that up in the video today and get that posted, because I know a lot of you guys have been interested in asking questions about that. So here it is. Look down in the video description below, and you will see those two links, guys. Okay, as simple as that. That's going to be it. So Memorial Day weekend. I wish everyone a safe weekend, and safe and fun weekend. And I'll be back on Tuesday morning doing my thing, trading the ES futures. Okay. So then, that's going to be it. We'll wrap it up. Closing out. Goodbye.